Hey, what's up guys? Silver Seeker here, and I want to say thank you for getting me to 50 subs. Hopefully I get some more subscribers, guys, and make sure you bell me so you see my updates as soon as my videos are uploaded by clicking that bell and clicking get notifications. So let's get into it, guys. What we're doing today is we're comparing the difference between 90% pre-64 silver and 90% silver proofs that came out of like 94 and later silver proof sets. I think 92 actually was the first year, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. But they come out of silver proof sets. Now, these specifically come out of later date silver proof sets because these are state quarters and national parks quarters. But these are all the same exact mixture as pre-64 90%. The reason there is a difference, however, is because generally when you're buying 90% silver, if you look in like a U.S. Red Book, it will tell you that there's 0.725 ounces of silver per dollar of face value for 90%. So every 4 quarters, for example, these 4 quarters in my hand would have 0.725 ounces of silver. Now that is if they're brand new. If we take another look at these, you'll see this one, there's no reading left on the rim. It's hard to see on the camera, but this one's completely smooth on the rim. The rim's flattened out. This has actually lost some weight. Okay. Now, what's really cool about the silver proofs, if you find a shop that's selling these at the same price, usually they do, sometimes ask for a little bit more. I'd honestly avoid them if they're asking for a little bit more, because chances are you're not going to get more back when you go to resell it. But if you can get it at the same price, I'd always go for these, for the reason that if you look at these coins, these are perfect. You know, the rim is still nice. There's a lot of relief with the rim. You know, the reed is it's you know, it's a proof. It's uncirculated, and which means it's not lost any of the silver. So I did a little bit of math, and there's supposed to be roughly 250 grams of silver, okay, per $10 face. Or I'm sorry, 250 grams of 90%. So 90%. So full weight of 40 quarters should be roughly 250 grams, plus or minus a couple. We're going to throw these on the scale, and if you take a look, you can see there's 247.5 grams of silver, 90% silver, in this pile of 10 quarters. So clearly it's lost some weight. Now if we compare these real quick to these silver proofs, you can see that the weight is considerably different. Alright, so now we have 253.6 grams, so a difference of 6.1 grams. So you're actually getting 6 more grams of 90% silver. I know it doesn't equate to a whole lot, but you know, what adds up adds up. If you get these a lot, then you know you'll end up adding quite a bit of extra silver to your stack. So that's why I recommend, if you can get these for the same price. Now, if they're asking more for them, unless you just like them because they're pretty, I'd generally stay away. Just because, you know, it's not worth the extra money to invest into the silver. But if you can get them at the same price, I'd definitely go for it. Now we're going to go ahead and put these in a tube here, just as one last thing. Oops. Try not to scratch them up. They're beautiful coins. But again, they're just silver at the end of the day. So you can see here on camera, you can see there's a little bit of edge left. Now the same exact tube, we're going to put these in, and you'll also see that there's a little bit difference in the amount of volume that these are going to take up because of the wear. So it's not a big difference, but you can see that there's a little bit more rim. It goes down a little bit farther in these than it does in these. This one's a little bit higher, so it's a little bit harder to see on camera. But this actually is lower. I can see it from here, but I can imagine on camera it looks a little bit different. So anyway, guys, that is the difference. So just something I thought I'd show you guys. Under the coin cam today, we do have a mount hood. This is 90% silver proof quarter. I just wanted to show that off to you, and under the beautiful coin camera here, since you know, since I have it on my overlay. So beautiful S proof. You look at the rim, 90% silver. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you can tell it's 90% silver. I don't have a quarter in front of me, but if you look at a $50, okay, this is a regular $50. You look at the rim, see that copper? You can see like the copper ring there, where the copper is revealed when they smash the coin down. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining me for another quick video. Sorry I haven't got to you quicker. I've been kind of under the weather, but we will talk to you again soon. Have a Merry Christmas, and we will see you in the next one.